Okay guys, I thought I'd give you a little update on the winter storm situation. Hold on. This is the current situation. It's still snowing. It's supposed to get harder. It's actually kind of hard already. I hope you could see that, because this is face forward camera, so I can't really see. Anyway, I'm going to brush my hair because I was supposed to work today, called in, because there's no way I could have gotten there. Okay, I'm gonna pause this and go get my bathrobe back. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So anyway, me and all my siblings who don't live with me are all kicking it back at home today. No one went into work today, which makes me feel better. I don't want anyone out on nasty roads. So, how's everyone doing? I'd be doing a lot better. I am a spring lover. I love hot weather, hot, humid weather. And so this snow has got me really sad. And it's not even supposed to be done after this. We're supposed to get another winter storm Wednesday. I'm so tired of winter. I need my perfume. I'll be right back. This is some of my favorite perfume. It's called At the Beach, and I got it from Bath & Body Works. That's where you get it. I'm obsessed with it. I got some from Bath & Body Works on my birthday. Okay, let's do a little inventory over here. Oh, wow. It is, I don't know how, it's because it's such fine snow, I don't know how much you can see it, but it is pouring snow right now. So anyway, I'll give you guys an update if there's any update to give. Let me get back here in the light. I'll give you guys an update if anything else happens. Bye!